Did you know that glass is made from sand? Yes, the very same sand you enjoy at the beach. When it's heated to extremely high temperatures, sand transforms into a liquid that, upon cooling, becomes glass. But here's an intriguing fact. Glass doesn't truly solidify in the conventional sense. It's actually a supercooled liquid because it can flow, albeit at an incredibly slow pace. This is why some ancient window panes in old buildings are thicker at the bottom than at the top. They've been slowly flowing down over centuries. Another remarkable aspect of glass is its ability to be infinitely recycled. It can be melted down and reshaped countless times without losing its clarity or purity. Imagine a single glass bottle could be turned into hundreds of new bottles over thousands of years, all without ever ending up in a landfill. But why is glass transparent? The secret lies in its atomic structure. The atoms in glass are arranged in a disordered pattern, which allows light to pass through them without being absorbed. This unique characteristic makes glass ideal for windows and lenses, revolutionizing the way we interact with the world around us. Most glass starts out clear, but the vibrant colors we often see in glassware and art come from adding metal oxides to the mix during the melting process. For example, adding cobalt results in blue glass, while a touch of gold can create a beautiful red hue. Glass has been part of human civilization for over 5,500 years, with the oldest known glass artifacts dating back to 3500 BC in Egypt and eastern Mesopotamia. Initially used for decorative purposes, glass has evolved into a critical material in various industries, from architecture and automotive to telecommunications and healthcare. In the realm of technology, glass plays a pivotal role. The screens of our smartphones, tablets, and computers are made of specially treated glass that is tough and scratch-resistant. Furthermore, fiber optic cables, made of incredibly pure glass, are the backbone of the internet, transmitting data over long distances at the speed of light. Looking to the future, scientists are developing smart glass that can change its properties on demand. Imagine windows that can instantly switch from clear to opaque for privacy, or glass that can harvest solar energy. There's even research into making glass that can heal itself when cracked. So the next time you look through a window, drink from a glass, or tap on your smartphone's screen, remember you're interacting with one of humanity's most fascinating and versatile materials. Glass is not just a part of our past. It shapes our present and is poised to play a significant role in our future.